Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we have an exciting topic to delve into, which is React, the JavaScript library that's taken the web development world by storm. So in this video, we'll cover its origin story, syntax, features, and why you should learn it. So without further ado, let's just get started. Alright, so React that is developed and maintained by Facebook was first released in 2013. Its primary goal was to simplify building user interfaces by introducing a component-based architecture. React's early adoption within Facebook paved the way for its open source release, making it accessible for developers worldwide. So now let's talk about React syntax. It uses JSX, a JavaScript extension that allows you to write HTML-like code within your JavaScript files. JSX makes it easy to build reusable UI components, simplifying complex UI development. Alright, so React boasts some fantastic features. It's known for its virtual DOM, a smart optimization that improves performance by reducing unnecessary re-renders. React also supports one-way data binding, enabling predictable data flow. Additionally, a React Native, a sibling library, lets you build mobile apps for multiple platforms using the same React skills. So now you guys might be wondering, like, why should you learn React? Well, first, it's in high demand. Many top companies such as Facebook, Instagram, Airbnb, and Netflix use React for their web and mobile applications. So learning React can open up career opportunities and make you a valuable asset in the job market. So speaking of companies, React is a favorite among tech giants and startups alike. Its flexibility and performance have made it the go-to choice for companies of all sizes. So whether you are building a small website or a complex web app, React's got you covered in all those cases. So in conclusion, React is a powerful JavaScript library that simplifies UI development, enhances performance, and offers excellent career prospects. And learning React is a smart move for any web developer, and it's backed by a strong community and a hub of resources to help you get started. So that wraps up our quick overview of React. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on web development, programming, and technology. So I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in some other one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.